Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akash Bandi. Today we are going to discuss about problems on centroid. Campus ID 23EC 1992. Centroid. A centroid is a geometric center of a geometric object, a one-dimensional curve, a two-dimensional area, or a three-dimensional volume. Centroids are useful for many situations in statistics and subsequent course, including the analysis of disturbed force, beam, bending, and shaft torsion. Steps to be followed to solve the problem. Assume the reference x and y axis if not given in the question. Generally, the leftmost part of the figure considered as y axis and the bottommost part of the figure is considered as x axis. Check for the symmetry of the figure. If the figure is symmetrical about vertical axis, then vertical x-axis is equal to total width by 2. Similarly, if the figure symmetrical about horizontal axis, y is equals to total height by 2. If the figure is asymmetrical, then divide the whole figure into known geometric section like rectangle, triangle, semicircle and quadrant of a circle. Then determine the centroid of an individual geometric figure from the reference x and y axis using the following table. Given figure we have to cut vertically, then we get a symmetric figure. The given figure is symmetrical about vertical axis. To calculate the x bar, we have to find total width by divided by 2. 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40 mm. To calculate the y bar, we have to put columns of serial number, component, area in mm square, central distance from x axis and moment of area about x axis. First component rectangle. Plus divided by 2. 24 plus 12 divided by 2 we get 44 mm. And the moment of area about x axis, we have to multiply area and the central distance. 600 into 44 we get 26,400 mm cube. And the third component rectangle area, breadth into depth 80 into 10 we get 800 mm square. And the central distance 64 plus d by 2 we get 64 plus 15 16 64 plus 5 we get 69 mm. And moment of area about x axis 800 into 639 we get 55,200. And to calculate summation of a, we have to add all the areas of three components. 600 plus 600 plus 800 we get 2000 mm square. And to calculate the summation of ay, we have to add all the three components moment of area about x axis, then we get 88,800 mm cube. So to calculate the y bar, we use the formula of summation of ay by summation of a. Then 88,800 divided by 2000 we get the y bar is equals to 44.4 mm and the x bar is equals to 44 mm. Thank you.